Hi there, I'm Jules from WILDCOAST. In this video, I'll be walking you through our Lagoon Cleanup lab. Before I begin, there's some important information that you should know before you start the experiment. WILDCOAST works with the Ocean Protection Council, the California Department of Fish and Wildlife, and many others to manage California's network of marine protected areas in order to protect and restore the ocean's habitats and also increase the health, productivity, and resilience of the ocean's ecosystems. In California alone, there are 124 marine protected areas, or MPAs, that encompass 16% of our ocean waters. MPAs can be thought of as underwater parks, similar to national, state, and regional parks that are on land. MPAs protect a wide range of ecosystems, including kelp forests, sandy shores, and the rocky intertidal. Unfortunately, many pollutants are being added to our water supplies by human activities in addition to the natural contaminants found in water. Major sources of water pollution are sewage, industrial waste, and the runoff of agricultural fertilizers and pesticides. Other sources of water pollution include oil spills, seepage from landfills, septic tanks, mines, and underground fuel storage tanks. Water pollution lowers water quality and presents a potential public health problem. In addition, water pollution destroys the natural beauty and health of lakes, rivers, and oceans. In this lab, each student or a group of 3 to 4 students will be given a little black pan to be filled with water. This represents one of our wetland MPAs, the Bataquitos Lagoon. The Bataquitos Lagoon is closed to both boats and swimmers, except for once every October or November when the Bataquitos Lagoon Foundation holds their annual kayak cleanup. This is the only time you are allowed to kayak in the lagoon, and it's an amazing experience in which you get to restore the lagoon to its natural beauty. We then add pollutants, such as vegetable oil, to represent motor oil, pieces of plastic and trash to represent litter, toy tires to represent tires, and so on. Anything you can find to represent pollution can be used. Also, add a little bit of dirt because the lagoon will have dirt in it. Students will then be shown several tools that may be used to clean up the lagoon. Typically, a spoon, a coffee filter, a plastic bag, a cup, a sponge, and so on. Each group may select 2 tools to use for their cleanup. Let the students plan how they will conduct their cleanup and select their tools. Then give an allotted time of 15 minutes for the students to clean their lagoons. If the students find the tools they selected are not working, then they may exchange one tool only once. At the end of the experiment, you will want to facilitate a class discussion about which tools and methods worked well and which did not. Ask questions like, what type of pollution is the most difficult to remove? What tools worked the best? Did they remove the dirt as well? Is dirt actually dirty in nature? What does this mean for MPA management? If time allows, put the pollution back in the pans. Let the groups create a new plan based on what they learned in the first round and then try again. I hope this lab engages the students in conversation about MPAs and also raises their awareness about these issues. If you need any further information, you can visit our website at wildcoast.org and click our resources tab. But most importantly, I hope you had fun.